Cover pages present information in a single bold page, styled independently from the rest of your site, creating a powerful introduction. To get started, click on the plus icon, and then choose Cover Page from the Create New Page menu. Click Change Layout to browse through the different options. Click Select on any design to set it as your layout. Once you've selected the one you want, click Save. You can always change the layout later. Here you can choose to display text, like a name or title, or a logo. Next, you can enter a headline or message in the headline box. In the body box, you can enter and format longer text. Within the Media panel, you can add images by dragging them from your desktop into the image uploader. Adding multiple images will create a slideshow. Most layouts support background videos using a video URL. To use a background color, select None. To add a button, edit the button label so that it reflects its action. Since I want my button to link to the rest of my site, I'm going to name it Enter. Now click the URL box to edit the link. I'm going to link this button to lead visitors to my About page. From there, they'll be able to explore the rest of my site. To set your cover page as a bold landing page, hover over the cover page's title and click on the Settings icon. Scroll down and select Set as Homepage. Then click Confirm and Save. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.